Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm looking at the NZXT Phantom case. This is a pretty large box and overall it's pretty nice. It's got some pictures of the product on the box, also lots of features and specifications about it. But note that the box has sustained some damage, a big huge smack here on the front, also on the side. There's a hole on each side of the box, and this makes it very easy to carry it. And overall, the box is pretty large and heavy, so I'm going to flip it upside down and open it from the bottom. This should make things a little bit easier. And lift the box off. There's styrofoam on each end, and the case itself is in a plastic bag. Remove the styrofoam first. And now the bag, and as you can see, this is a pretty large case. It has some protective plastic at the top and at the front. I'll remove that. Now don't panic if you don't like red, because this is also available in white and black. So they have a couple of options here. And I have to say, this case looks extremely interesting. Now let's have a quick peek at it. Lots of ventilation at the top, and they include an exhaust fan. Here's the power button, reset button, as well as a couple of LEDs, and I believe this would be the hard drive and power LEDs. There's two USB ports as well as an external serial ATA port, audio ports. And this is a fan controller controlling the speed on each fan. And it looks like there's an LED for each fan as well. At the front, there's a door which opens to reveal 5.25 inch drive bays. And at the bottom, there's more ventilation. On the left side panel, there's lots of ventilation, as well as a couple of included fans right here, and another very large fan, which is optional, that you can install here. At the back, they include another fan. Here's where the motherboard's I/O shield plate gets installed. They include lots of rubber ground-mounted holes for a water cooling system's tubes to pass through, as well as 7 ventilated expansion slots. At the bottom is where a standard ATX power supply gets installed, and they include 2 thumb screws, 1 on each side panel. Now let's see what's in this box. Cable ties, a speaker, brackets, and screws, and they also include the user's guide. There's plenty of room to work on the inside of this case because of the way that it's designed. It's high and it's very long, and this will give you tons of space to work. There's also a toolless design on the 5.25 inch drive bays, as well as all the other bays. The expansion slots have thumb screws. There's lots of holes on the motherboard tray for cable management, as well as a large hole here as well for the cooler's retention plate. And there are plenty of other features on this case, which I will highlight in the video review.